In India, we get more than 300 clear solar days. Therefore, there is ample scope for harnessing solar energy, creating awareness amongst the society, particularly amongst the technocrats.
Indian and French government have taken a lead in setting up International Solar Alliance. We are happy La Fondation Dassault System has supported a solar research center and a solar competency center at NK Orchid College of Engineering.
Main objective of this center was to establish research infrastructure in solar energy domain and create exceptional facility in the Indian academia to produce solar energy skilled youth and researcher who can add value to the industry and society as a whole. Since last 1.5 years, we have executed 3 batches of solar engineering course.
The course helped me to attain tremendous knowledge in solar domain. I would like to complete my masters in renewable energy, and in few years I would like to establish my own industry.
We have developed total 25 prototypes in solar domain. Some of them are prototypes of solar water sprinkler system, solar operated milk pasteurization unit and solar operated idli cooker.
We continue to build such solar energy based products which will be helpful to the society and will be helpful to the rural ecosystem and farmers. During this COVID pandemic situation, the products developed in the Solar Research Center have bagged the top ranks and prizes in various national competitions such as Avishkar, Akruti, Connect Next, KPIT Sparkle.
We conducted a national level competition, Orchid Solar Vehicle Competition OSVC, where 25 teams from various states have participated and 10 teams were called for the final presentation.
Solar Research Center was also utilized to create green energy awareness in the school as well as college students and also to the society such as farmers and the parents. These are some of the glimpses of eminent personalities, industry experts, social workers, NGOs visited to our research center. Majority of them appreciated initiative taken by La Fondation Dassault System. The Solar Research Center is now the talk of the town and even in the state.
We are definitely committed to make this Solar Research Center a center for competency building, a center for technological development, a center that will support not only the society but the industry also.
I hope in future we will get the same support from La Fondation Dassault System for developing the career of the student and also working for the development of rural ecosystem, especially the farmer community. Thank you.